Now, select the cell reference range. In Home tab, Style group, click Conditional Formatting arrow button. First clear the rules. I clear rule from entire sheet. Now move your pointer on top bottom rules to display the list of rules. I click bottom 10 items. In dialog box, you have selected 10 items. Click OK. You have bottom 10 lowest values in a selected range. Now, click Conditional Formatting arrow button. Clear the rule. Move your cursor on top bottom rows to display the list of rows. Click top 10 items. You have selected 10 items in a conditional box. Click OK. You have top 10 highest values in a selected range. But you have selected 10 highest values in a range. 11 values are highlighted. Cell D18 and cell D23 have same values. That is the reason 11 values are selected in a range. So in this way, you can apply top and bottom rules in an Excel worksheet.